Is your Microsoft Office shell extension apps broken by the Msoshext.dll? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's walk through the automated process to fix your installation. To kick off the MSO shell extension walkthrough, I've linked a professional resource to help maintain system-level configuration. This is the MSO shell extension, the Microsoft Office shell extension library. It manages localized context menu entries, like New Word document, and localized thumbnail previews for Office files in Windows Explorer. It facilitates the localized metadata exchange between the Office suite and the OS shell. With that background out of the way, here is how we actually restore the missing component. Application-level DLL errors like this are usually resolved by reinstalling the affected software. Reinstall the latest official version of Microsoft Office shell extension to replace MSO shell extension. If you're still seeing the missing file notification, we should attempt to force a synchronization between the software and the OS. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the MSO shell extension file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. Following the restart, if the diagnostic status remains unchanged, please execute the commands in Step 3. If you need to pause the video to review the syntax, please do. If the restart didn't help the program find the file, we need to manually register the DLL pointer in the registry. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32, followed by your file name causing the error, then hit Enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rely on a pointer in the registry. If the program can't find that pointer, it doesn't matter if the file exists, it won't load. Before we finish, let's go over the professional protocol for sourcing essential system libraries. Avoid the trap of free file repositories for MSO shell extension DLL, as these platforms are frequently used to spread persistent browser hijackers and adware. To reduce technical overhead while maintaining high security, here is a professional method for managing system-level file health. The diagnostic maintenance tool linked below offers background information for scanning MSO shell extension-related issues. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide helped MSO shell extension workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.